Hey, back again. Another quick video tip. This is how you can take care of raggedy looking, shaggy, worn carpeting from high traffic or from dogs. It's real simple. It might take a little practice, but I'll show you exactly what to do. You want to get yourself a brand new razor blade. As you can see, we got pretty shaggy looking worn carpet. This is what it should look like. More like this. And you get up here and you get this high traffic area, especially there. So you want to get your razor blade, grab it with your index, your middle finger, ring finger, and your thumb, and you're going to use your fingernails to keep this razor blade from digging in. Put it at about a 45-degree angle and drag it towards you. Just little short movements. This will dull your razor blade fairly quickly. So if you're doing a large area like this, you'll probably go through a handful of them. I mean, you can use it for quite a while, but it'll start slowing down. Time is money, so I use multiples. As you can see, I'm using my fingernails as a guide and then lowering this like a backhoe piece of equipment. And just scraping it like a straight edge razor on an old time shave. Like back in the cowboy days, how they used to do it on their face. Looks a lot better. Looks a lot fresher. This just looks haggard. Get up close on the edge. Now, if you're having trouble, or for some reason you're having trouble with the razor not wanting to slice through this fuzz, you can come at an angle, and that will increase your cutting capabilities. But at the same time, if you're coming like this and you accidentally slide sideways, you're going to slice right through it. So you want to be careful on the angle technique. Go ahead and finish this up, this area. Again, you can see that razor was wearing out. I'll go ahead and break open a new one. Start slicing right through it again. Sometimes it builds up on the blade, you got to pull it off. But again, fairly simple, fairly quick. Doesn't take a long time. You can charge a decent amount of money to do this. People that don't like this generally are not going to be too quick to pick up a razor blade and try this for themselves. It's going to be people are usually happy to do it. It's like shampooing your carpets. Everybody could do it themselves, but most people would rather just pay somebody else to come in and do it. Alright. One more awesome tip. Go out and save some money, make some money. Hopefully that's something you can add to your repertoire. Is that the right word? Let's say add to your quiver. And don't do it for free. Always put that down as a charge. Nobody wants to pay for it. By all means, they don't have to have it. Like and subscribe if this is a technique you haven't seen. Helps me out. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Catch you again later.